survive in the wilderness, you need speed, power, stealth, and love. Get closer to the most fascinating animals on the planet. Big Cat Season starts Monday the 3rd of November on Viasat Nature. Beyond the China you expect lies an extraordinary hidden world. Home to rare and remarkable creatures, living side by side in every landscape imaginable. Discover the unseen, the untamed, and the unforgettable. China's Wild Secrets starts Tuesday the 4th of November on Viasat Nature. When the weather turns cold, how do you adapt? Do you stock up and find somewhere to hide? Do you escape to warmer climes? Or do you leap outside and seize the season? Discover how the animal kingdom defies the ice. Frozen Earth Season starts Monday the 3rd of November on Viasat Nature. The content of the following program is not suitable for small children and is recommended only for those aged 12 or over. Parental guidance may be required.
So well, when we bought the park in Natchitoches, I said, you get first choice. He picked his entire family up and moved to Natchitoches, Louisiana.
These road shows are an educational experience. Leo knows exactly